The ultimate guide to using apple cider vinegar for a healthy gut. Are you looking for a natural and easy way to improve your gut health? Look no further than apple cider vinegar. This simple ingredient has been used for centuries to promote digestive health and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Here are some tips on how to use apple cider vinegar for a healthy gut. 1. Start small. Begin by adding 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and drink it before meals. As your body adjusts, you can increase the amount to 1 to 2 tablespoons. 2. Use it as a salad dressing. Mix apple cider vinegar with olive oil, honey, and Dijon mustard for a healthy and delicious salad dressing. 3. Add it to your smoothies. Blend apple cider vinegar with fresh fruits and veggies for a tasty and nutritious smoothie. 4. Take it before bed. Drinking apple cider vinegar before bed can help improve digestion and reduce bloating. Remember, it's important to choose raw, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar with the mother for the best health benefits. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine can help promote a healthy gut and improve overall digestion. Give it a try and see how it can benefit you.